Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Pardon me for my voice because I'm not very well, but today we are going to see what is this full moon of July bringing in your life. Okay, we have a full moon on the 10th, and today we are going to see what is it going to bring in your life. So we are going to do it as a two-pile reading. Pile 1 will be people who like color blue. Okay. Pile 2 will be people who like color red. Kindly pardon me for this because I am a fan of. Okay. For people who selected pile 1 or people who like color blue, let's see what is this full moon bringing in their life. Okay. See, I see that in the past things seemed very hunky dory, things seemed very perfect, things seemed almost too good to be true. But there was still some ache because of which things aren't the way they were, because of the pain. Now there is lack of emotions on the surface level. You think that I am not feeling the same anymore. I am not seeing this person, seeing this opportunity the same anymore. But the reality is, you still have feelings, right? You still like the person, you still like the opportunity, you still want things to work out. And what is this bringing in your life? Finally, the future is this full moon is bringing in a lot of opportunities for you, and the better ones and the stable ones. But the catch is the confusion which comes with it. So you people can get a bit confused because you will be confused as to what do I pick up. One side there is a lot of stability, at one side there is less stability and a little bit of chaos, but your heart is there. So let's see what you should do. Okay. See, this is a lesson. This opportunity which will be coming in your life is a trap and it's a lesson. So I have been told to not guide you, not let you know what you should pick because you need to go through this lesson. But I can tell you that if it's something which is making you sleepless and something which is giving you anxiety and something which is keeping you intelligent, please don't go for it. Okay, please don't go for it. That's the best I can tell you. Okay. So the people who selected color red, let's see what is this full moon bringing in their life. Pardon me for the arrangement of my cards. I arranged them differently. Okay. Okay. People who selected color red. Okay. See, in the past, you went through something very huge, but you gathered all your courage and decide to invest again. But the thing is, the moment you decided to get stable or invest on something or someone, that right moment only, more opportunities came in your life. Or other people also came in your life, or the people who left also came back. Probably your exes, probably your ex opportunities, they came in your life. Currently, you do want stability in your life, but there's a mental confusion going on because you think that what if that works out, what if this doesn't work out, what if is going on in your life. Okay, in the future this month is bringing in your life a lot of chaos because that chaos will let you know what is meant for you. You will be seeing things beyond surface level. This chaos is important in your life, and by the end of this month you will choose your path. You will not be influenced by someone who came, someone who left and then came, or someone who is not even in your life. You will not be influenced by anyone. It will all be yours. But you need to go through that chaos. You need to go through that ups and downs. And then on the other side, there is you who is very happy. So this is what this month is bringing in your life. This new one is bringing in your life. I hope it made sense. Okay. Also, if you guys are confused and you want a yes or no reading, I'll do that. Same for for people selected pile 1 or blue color. Let's see, the answer to the question is either yes or no. It's a yes, but keep your emotions in a check. Okay. For people who selected pile 2 or color red, let's see what is the answer to their questions. It's a yes again. Okay, you can go for it, but there's a tower also. The yes can be painful. Okay, but it's a yes. If you go for yes, it can be a little painful, but you can surely go for it. Okay, thank you.